Let's take a look at the pact that was
pleasure.
signed between Nigeria's Eagle Airlines and Kenya Airways. Take us through how this will affect KQ's earnings going forward.
Actually, I believe it's one of the strategies that KQ has embarked on in terms of expanding its African roots, because given how its performance has been in the last 2 quarters, I think the people in charge of the marketing strategy have realized that Africa as a continent alone has a lot of potential, and if they can be able to dominate it, then maybe they can actually be able to recoup the losses, especially the losses they've made against fuel hedging. The deal between Eagles of Nigeria and Kenya Airways, actually, it's a very big step ahead in terms of airline associations in Africa. I guess it's taking in shape of what we see in Star Alliance. But what I know about the deal is that it's more like it actually favors the Eagle Alliance, the Eagle Airlines of Nigeria, because as we see, KQ is such a big airline in terms of route network, in terms of passenger, in terms of cargo. So we believe the partner that is actually going to benefit more in this is actually the Eagles airline, but also in terms of future strategic alliances between major African airlines, for example, South African Airlines, the Nigerian Airways, should be actually in line if this one works out.
And how did KQ fare today?
KQ's view of this, basically, they believe that in terms of streamlining passenger handling, cargo handling, and being able to reduce the hours in terms of connection, because they believe if you want to do business in Africa, you do business in Nigeria. For them, it's one of the major inroads into the West African market.